Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another room reveal. I'm going to be showing you my office. This is going to be the last room reveal of the house. Alright, so let's go ahead and go with the ceiling chandelier first. So I bought this from IKEA and it's so cute because it has like the little crystal work in here. And then right here I have my bookshelf. And I purchased this bookshelf from IKEA as well. Now this was actually a black color and I spray painted it gold. You can see in one of my other videos, which I can post in my comments, where I did the DIY on how to spray paint this gold. Now let's just go ahead and go through each shelf. So this is like a clear like magazine holder, which you can probably get from any like supply store. Michael's or Hobby Lobby, they would all probably have that. And this globe is actually from Hobby Lobby. I thought it would be perfect in my office because my colors are white, gold, and pink. So this is from Hobby Lobby. These two bookends I purchased from Target. And then I have a couple of my books here. I have this vase that I got from Hobby Lobby. These roses I got from Hobby Lobby as well, and I just cut them. I have my books here, and I purchased these on Amazon.com. You'll see in one of my other videos I have a lot of decorative books that I purchased, so these are a couple of them. And then I have two candle holders here with pink candles. I actually spray painted these candle holders as well. And down here, this is a pearl tray that I purchased from Home Goods, a candle from Home Goods, flowers from Home Goods. And then all the way down here, this is just like a suitcase that I purchased from Home Goods, candle from Home Goods, and then this nice little crystal box I got from Home Goods as well. I swear I'm like the spokesman or spokeswoman for Home Goods. Okay, so over here, this is my lamp that I purchased from Home Goods as well. I liked it because it was like over my couch and I have my colors, again, gold and white, perfect. And then my couch, I wanted like a pop of color. So I actually purchased this couch from Home Goods and it was a mauve color. And of course, you know, in true fashion, I had to get it reupholstered. So I went with this velour type of material and it just gives a lot of like color to this room, and there's a lot of white in here, but I love white, so it just makes it pop a lot more in my office. And then this is a table that I purchased from Home Goods, another book that I purchased from Amazon.com, and then this little vase and flower I purchased from IKEA. Alright, so let's go over to my desk now. I'm going to walk over to my desk. Alright, so over here, you can see over here, candle from Home Goods. I actually purchased both of these books from Home Goods as well. This file case, Home Goods, and this file case, Home Goods. Now this map I actually got as a gift from my sister. Love you, Sissy! I love it because it's like a rose gold pink. Goes perfect in this area. So if you come on this side, I can show you everything that is on my desk. So let's start with the chair. The chair I purchased from Home Goods. I swear, Home Goods is like my store. My white desk is from Z Gallery. I actually purchased it from their outlet for half price. I have my calendar, which I'm not sure, I don't remember where I got that one from, but I can list it in my comments. My keyboard I got from Walmart. And then, you know, my little calendar. This is from Home Goods. I have these paper clips I purchased from Home Goods as well. Now this is really cool. This is a photo cube, so you can put photos inside of it. Purchased this from Z Gallery. My ruler is from Z Gallery. It says fashion has no rules. And then this candle, I thought it was so cute. I purchased this from Pottery Barn. This organizer or file holder is from Home Goods. This book I purchased from Home Goods. And this unicorn I purchased from Target. Now these flowers I purchased from Home Goods. This little tray is from Home Goods. And then my tape You know what, I don't know where. I think I purchased this from like, I don't know, maybe one of the like Office Depot or something. And then I have my books again. I actually purchased these from Home Goods, and then this one was Amazon.com. Computer screen, stapler, gold and white. I think this is from like Target, maybe Staples. My Starbucks cup. Yes, I'm a Starbucks fiend, but it goes with my decoration. It's white and gold. So my coaster and my mouse pad are from Office Depot. This is an Apple mouse. And then this I am using as like a pin holder. I purchased this from Home Goods. Or maybe Hobby Lobby. It's either Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. I think it's Home Goods. And then I got this frame from Home Goods. Now this lamp is from IKEA, and I love this lamp because it's white and then it has the gold detail. So IKEA really came in clutch. Now on this side, oh, also want to show you over here, I just have like this push pin board. I purchased this from Home Goods. This little holder I purchased from Target. I have a wastebasket that's gold. I purchased that from Hobby Lobby. And then this is kind of just like my throw everything in here until I can actually organize it. But I purchased this from Home Goods as well. And then as you know, my gallery wall, it's still up. I've put a couple pictures in these empty frames. So this one I had an artist draw a picture of a girl that has like this unicorn headband with the different colors. And if you know me on Instagram or follow me on Instagram, I actually wear a lot of like different French braids with these unicorn colors. So kind of reminds me of myself. And this was another one that was empty when I did my gallery wall. I actually had the same artist do this one. So it's kind of just like a, you know, girl working on her laptop with her coffee, pen, organizer, and glasses, which I think represents me. That's pretty much me. This one I still have to, you know, figure out how or what I'm gonna put in there, but other than that, all of my pictures are still on the wall since I did that video. I know some people have been asking me like, are your pictures still up there? You know, you didn't use nails. So yes, they're still here. They have not fallen down. It's pretty strong tape, so go ahead, use it. It's a good trick. I'm not gonna have to worry about, you know, trying to putty any holes or anything when it's time for me to leave pretty soon, so it's a good idea. But that is my office. There's nothing else to show, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, like always, please leave it in the comment box and I will answer all questions as best as I can. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.